Hi, in this video, we'll look at how to add fractions with the same denominators. Starting with the first question here, we have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. We can see the two fractions have the same denominator, 7. So all we need to do is to add the numerators, 3 and 2. Remember, numerators are the numbers at the top of a fraction. So this will be equal to 5 over 7. As simple as that. All you need to do is to add the numerators together if the denominators are the same. The same thing applies here. We have 1 plus 2, 3. Your denominator remains the same because you have the same denominator in the two fractions. Here we do the same thing. 3 plus 5 equals 8 over 12. Now, and your final answer needs to be simplified. Your final answer should be in its simplest form. 5 over 7 is in its simplest form. Only one can divide the numerator and denominator. The same thing applies to 3 over 5. But 8 over 12 is not in its simplest form. I can divide 8 by 4 and I can also divide 12 by 4. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4 so that my final answer can be in its simplest form. So my final answer will now be 2 over 3. These are equivalent fractions and the final answer is in its simplest form. Alright, so let's see you try out some questions. So you can pause the video and try out these 3 questions. Remember to simplify your answers. Okay, so let's see. 3 over 10 plus 2 over 10 will give you 3 plus 2, 5 over 10. Remember, your final answer should be in its simplest form. And the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator, can be divided by 5. So we'll go ahead and simplify this fraction. It's going to give us 1 over 2. This would give us 1 plus 2, 3. 3 over 3. Both of them can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, it's actually a whole. This is equal to 1 whole. And here we have 3 plus 5. This will give us 8 over 20. The denominator remains the same, remember. It needs to be in the simplest form. What other number can divide 8 and 20 apart from 1? 4. So you divide the numerator by 4, the denominator by 4, and you're left with 2 over 5, your final answer in its simplest form. Alright, so that's how you add fractions with the same denominators. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.